Trend Secrets, your ultimate destination for all things interior design and home decor. When you have a small backyard, every inch counts, but that doesn't mean you can't turn it into a lush and beautiful garden. With smart planning, even the tiniest outdoor spaces can become your favorite corner of the house. Today, we'll explore creative and practical ideas to help you design a stunning small backyard garden. Start by understanding the space. Look at the sunlight patterns, your soil type, and the natural layout. Knowing where the sun hits the hardest and what areas stay shaded will guide your plant choices and help you plan different zones for seating or planting. One clever idea is to go vertical. When you don't have much horizontal room, take advantage of your walls and fences. Use hanging planters, wall-mounted pots, or a vertical pallet garden to grow herbs, flowers, or small vegetables. It adds layers and texture without crowding the ground. Container gardening is another great solution. Stylish pots of different sizes allow you to move plants around easily and control their growth. You can also use raised beds for better organization, drainage, and to avoid bending down too much while gardening. To give your garden a structured and cozy look, define pathways using gravel, stepping stones, or wooden planks. These small walkways not only make your garden look more spacious, but also help guide the eye and foot traffic naturally. Incorporate a small seating area. Just a bench or a couple of foldable chairs can do wonders. If there's space, a bistro table adds charm. Surround your seating with planters or climbing vines for a private and serene experience. Choose plants wisely. Go for a mix of evergreen shrubs, flowering plants, and foliage of different heights. Compact or dwarf varieties are perfect for small spaces and can bring in seasonal color without overwhelming the area. Add levels by using plant stands, tiered planters, or hanging baskets. This trick creates dimension and gives the illusion of a fuller, more dynamic garden without needing extra square footage. Lighting makes a big difference. Add fairy lights, solar, powered garden stakes, or lanterns to highlight key areas and allow you to enjoy your garden in the evenings. Lighting also adds magic and charm after sunset. Use mirrors strategically. A weather-resistant mirror placed against a wall can make a small garden appear twice its size. It reflects light and greenery, making the space feel brighter and more open. If you want a more modern or minimal look, go with geometric layout ideas. Use clean lines and choose just 2 or 3 colors for your plants and pots. Simplicity often makes a small space feel more organized and calming. Don't forget the vertical charm of climbing plants like jasmine, bougainvillea, or clematis. These not only add beauty, but also cover plain walls or fencing with natural green artwork. Finally, remember your garden should reflect your style and bring you joy. Whether it's a modern green retreat or a colorful bohemian escape, let your creativity shine and enjoy every moment spent in your little green world. Enhancing the outdoor space with thoughtful garden decoration can significantly elevate the overall look and feel of a house. From vibrant flower beds to charming pathway lighting, every element contributes to creating a welcoming and visually captivating outdoor environment. Incorporating features such as cozy seating areas and decorative planters adds personality and charm to the landscape. Let's talk about something important. You don't need to spend much to have a beautiful home. That's right. Good interior design isn't about how much money you spend, but how creatively you use what you have. Even inexpensive or budget-friendly decor items can make a big impact when placed thoughtfully and styled with care. It's all about finding pieces that resonate with you and arranging them in a way that feels authentic and welcoming. Whether you're thrifting for unique finds, DIYing your own decor, or repurposing items you already own, there are endless possibilities for creating a stylish and personalized space on a budget. So don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. With a little imagination and resourcefulness, you can transform any space into a place that feels like home. Don't forget to subscribe to Trend Secrets and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching.